When adding multiple addends together, we can use the associative law. The associative law says that when adding 3 or more numbers, the way they are grouped does not change the sum. I can add 3 and 5 together and get 8, and 8 plus 7 equals 15. I can add 5 and 7 together. That's 12. Plus 3 equals 15. We often use parentheses to group two addends together. When I put the parenthesis around the 3 and the 5, that tells me I need to add the 3 and the 5 together first and then add the 7. I could put the parenthesis around the 5 and 7 and then I would know to add these together first and then add the 3.